Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set your location in the Goat Sneakers application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the left. And then look for the shopping from button and click on that. And as you can see, you can either search for your country, or you can just scroll down and find it. And yeah, just click on the one that you want to use, and it is set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.